The sound we're going to practice in this video is the sound E. Repeat after me. E. 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 E in inform. Again, inform. Inject. Again, inject. Index. Again, index. Increase. Again, increase. Independent. Again, independent. Into. Again, into. In. Again, in. Insect. Again, insect. Ink. Again, ink. What other words have the initial sound E? E in skin. Again, skin. Pin. Again, pin. Win. Again, win. Bin. Again, bin. Seen. Again, seen. Tin. Again, tin. Stick. Again, stick. Pick. Again, pick. Kick. Again, kick. What other words have the middle sound E? Now let's practice phrases with this sound. Ready? Picking the pin. Again, picking the pin. Inform the winner. Again, inform the winner. Independent bin. Again, independent bin. Tin index. Again, tin index. Missing ink. Again, missing ink. Now let's practice sentences with this sound. Ready? Please inform the winner. Again, please inform the winner. There's an independent bin. Again, there's an independent bin. I picked the stick. Again, I picked the stick. Can you find the missing ink? Again, can you find the missing ink? White tin index. Again, white tin index. The sound we just practiced in this video is the sound E. Repeat after me. E. 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 I hope you enjoyed our practice. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.